Hello there. Today we need 2 screwdrivers, 2 torches, 2 microfiber cloths, 2 brand new headlight bulbs and 1 Ford Focus. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, today we have our Mark II Ford Focus and it needs 2 new headlight bulbs, and that means I can challenge Mrs CarSpyTV to a race.
A race for what?
Well, the idea is that you change 1 headlight bulb.
Okay.
I, at the same time, change the other.
Okay.
Fastest time gets a prize.
What's the prize?
What would you like? How about a meal?
A meal?
A microwave meal.
I was going to say, who's cooking?
I could cook it in the microwave. It might be poisonous, but you know. I know
Yeah,
what I do.
all right then.
Okay, really?
Yeah.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah, we'll go for that.
And if I win, I was hoping for a lifetime supply of gaffer tape.
That could be expensive.
Yes.
Yeah.
So microwave meals, they're not cheap.
Are they not?
No comment.
No comment.
Anyway, to make this fair,
Yeah.
we do both have exactly the same tools.
Okay.
So we both have a torch, a screwdriver, a cloth.
Now, to keep it fair, can I pick which one I want?
Yes.
Right. Oh, that's really heavy. Oh my gosh, that's even heavier. Oh, is it?
They're both more or less the same.
All right, okay.
Except-
Hey, you've got a bigger end.
Well, you pick whichever one you like.
I like this one, it's shiny.
Okay, fine. Right. The challenge has been set. Do you formally accept?
I formally accept your challenge.
Good. Okay. Right. Right, put this back in there.
Yeah.
So to change a headlight bulb in this momentous race, we need to first undo that screw, and then there are a couple of plastic clips that need to be released by poking them with a big screwdriver. There's one down there somewhere, then there's another one down there somewhere, and once that's done, the headlamp can be brought forward. We can get to the back and change a bulb. Are you ready? Come on then.
Yep.
Do you want to count us in?
I'm ready. Yeah, I'll count us in.
Okay.
Right then. On your marks, get set, go.
Where's my screwdriver?
I don't know. What have you done with it? What have you done with it?
Have you hidden my screwdriver?
No. Why would
You
I do
have.
that?
You have. You were around the back of the car, weren't you? Oh, there's some subterfuge going on here.
One clip.
I'm being set up. Have you?
2 clips.
Have
Right,
You,
I've done my bit.
where's the screwdriver? Oh, really? Behind already.
I'm just going to go and have a coffee. Warm up for a bit.
Right.
Sorry, did I do that up too tight? Do you need a hand?
No, I'm right.
You sure?
How are you getting on over here?
Yeah, really good. Right, I've got the unit out.
Yeah.
So that's all nice and loose now, as you can see. Right, going to get a cloth.
Hang on, I'll come around here.
Yeah.
Then we can see better.
To do a bit of cleaning, one might think, but no. We're going to pop that under there to stop the lens getting scratched whilst we turn this over to get to the underside.
Jolly good idea.
I know. There we go.
Well, you are well ahead at the moment.
Of course I am.
I can hear the dog barking.
Oh, hang on.
Where is he? Is he in the back garden of the house?
Yeah, he's in the back garden. I can't hear a thing with these.
Or your penguin hat on.
Right, I'm just going to... Right, that's
You
secure.
should check the dog.
I'm just going to go and check the dog.
Okay. Well, as Mrs CarSpyTV hid my screwdriver, I'm going to resort to some low tactics as well. Replace the light she's just taken out. And to make life extra awkward, When she returns from checking the dog, tape in position. Fair's fair. She'll never know it's me, unless you tell her.
Ah, well, that's him all right.
Good.
Okay, you've been practicing your rapping. Actually, I have to say that's better than what you normally do on the Christmas presents.
That's not me.
Yeah.
Who would do such a thing?
Yeah, you're just trying to slow me down, aren't you?
Someone who's recently had a screwdriver hidden would do that sort of thing.
Yeah, look, do you think that's going to slow me down? Nah.
Get it back on. Get it back on.
Get off. Right.
You're in danger now because I've caught up.
Yeah, you might have caught up, but...
But what?
Yeah, just watch your back. We've got bulbs to sort.
That is true. That is true.
And not the gardening bulbs either.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, darling. Love is.
So the next stage on my side is to remove this black plastic cover on the back of the headlamp, which, as we can see, I've already loosened. Pop that up there. And then there's this electrical connector, which needs to be removed. Again, it's already loose. And then there's this metal clip that opens up like so. And then we can just pull out the bulb. There we are. How are you getting on over here?
Yeah, just finished putting that all back together. So I've got the bulb in.
Yep.
Really nice and easy, quite a simple job to do. Right, so that's all back there. Right, so yeah, the new bulb's in, the cover's on the back. All I've got to do is check my side now.
Well, I'm in a similar situation over here.
Ah, you haven't got your cover on your back yet.
No, I haven't put that back. So you're saying you're still ahead?
Yeah, I'm still ahead.
Okay. Yes, I need to put that back on, but you're quite right, we should, before we put all this lot back together, check the new bulbs are actually working.
I think so. Look, doing a bit of cleaning there as well, see? There you go. Right, I'm going to go and
check the bulbs?
put the lights on.
Okay. Let's do all the lights, shall we? Indicators and everything?
Yeah.
Here we go. It's the big moment. Indicators? No, there's a windscreen wipers. Okay, that's all right on my side. Let's check your side. That's okay too. Right, well, all I need to do to win is get this back in. Pop the back cover on first though. Wait, give it back. She's nicked it. Will you bring that back? Come on. She's running around the back of the car. Come on.
Never catch me.
Unbelievable. It's a screwdriver instant all over again. Come, give it, give it. Right. Okay. Stop it. You're not helping.
I know.
Okay.
Oh dear, can you see
Will you
now?
pack it in? Terrible cheating. You go to your own side. Go away.
Oh, it needs a bit cleaning, just You'll never win. I'm going to nick your bulb.
No.
No, not the micro. What have I done?
Well, if nothing else, at least we can say that was a totally fair and above board contest.
Absolutely.
No cheating.
No.
On my part, anyway.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
It wasn't me with the basket tape.
Yeah, of course it wasn't. I'm sure somebody will write a comment to let me know. Who was it?
Let's find out the results, shall we? Okay, so my time is written on this piece of paper.
Okay.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good look. How did I do?
Well, yeah, quite a reasonable time actually.
Yeah.
7 minutes, 45 seconds. Yeah.
7 minutes, 45 seconds.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I still reckon I've shaved a bit off of that.
You reckon you've won?
Yeah.
Well, this will reveal the answer.
Yeah,
there you go.
Give me that.
Have a look.
Right, let's have a look. 3 weeks, 4 days, 18 hours?
At least 3 weeks.
No! Have you sure we've got this round the wrong way?
Definitely not. So I win. What did I win? Gaffer tape.
No, you won a microwave meal for yourself that you are cooking.
So even though I've won, somehow I feel that I've lost.
Yeah, and even though I've lost, I feel like I've won.
Well, I'm not sure what we've learned, but nonetheless, at least we have changed the bulbs.
We've changed the bulbs and I can see in the dark now.
Yes.
Yes.
Like a bat.
Like a bat.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Now, a little bit of news, just a quick update for you. Here at CarSpyTV, we have now in total, since we started, just topped, drum roll, 1 million views.
Oh, that is amazing. Thank you so much for being so generous with your time and watching us. But don't forget to click like and also, you know, spread the news. Let other people know we're here.
Good idea.
All right.
Oh, and subscribe. That helps.
Yeah, and that helps as well.
Good. Right. Well, I'm going indoors now.
Yeah, do you want roast dinner?
Yes.
Okay.
No microwave meals.
No microwave meals.
Good contest.
Good content.
Nice and fair.
Absolutely. I'll see you next time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.